Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to deactivate a page on Facebook in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option and scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy and click on settings. Okay, scroll down. Then tap on access and control. Just click activate page and tap on continue. Just click continue. Then deactivate a page on Facebook in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.